So in this video, I'm gonna give you some tips for beginner traders, and I will summarize all of it, and I'm gonna try to express everything. So you need to learn the skill before trying to put any money or trying to do some trades, because if you put money and you start trading without studying the subject, it's gonna be like gambling, you know. You don't gonna fly a plane before learning how to fly the plane, you know. So that's the simple analogy I can give you. I don't like also signals to trade, you know, like these channels that give signals. I have another analogy for this is like if you give a man a fish, he's gonna eat for the night. But if you teach a man how to fish, he's gonna eat for his entire life. So trading is boring, you know, like many people think that it's gonna be like Wolf of Wall Street, you know, but it's not like that. So it's more like you're gonna be in a computer waiting for a position, maybe for hours. So you also need to do this daily, you know, so it's like doing this for hours and daily basis. So some days also you don't gonna do any progress, so maybe you're gonna decrease your skill. So it's very like tough, you know. So another tip is that don't seek the output. You need to put more the input. So the problem with many traders and myself is like we seek the profits, we seek the money, and that's not right. So we want to do money quick and in every day. So then we're gonna go to the markets and Mr. Markets are gonna blow our accounts. That's the reality. So another important point is that be careful with false gurus. So in this industry there are many bad gurus or people that trying to get your money. They will show you the Lambos, they will show you the bag of cash, and in most cases this is a very big red flag. First, traders, they don't use many cash because they have all in their account. And second, they are showing you the shiny object. They will tell you that with their strategy, you're gonna do millions in 1 month. First is almost impossible, and second, they are trying to sell you a course. So with this amazing discount, this your only chance, this will end in 24 hours, you know. And the worst thing is those timers, they always reset, you know. So these scammers don't make money on trading, they make money with their courses. In the description, I'm gonna give you some channels that I like. For example, Dumbone have a free course that they teach you almost everything. It's a good place to start. And also another guy that I don't remember his name, but he's like talking more about the psychology about trading, and it's very good. I don't know them, they don't know me, you know. They don't pay me for saying this, so it's only a tip. So another tip is that there is no magic indicators. Less is more. So many graphics of people, they look like this. So people think that having 100 indicators and putting 100 lines is gonna work. So what really works is putting few lines that they are important and using maybe one indicator. So then having like 3 rules that if they happen, you put a trade and later you test these rules. And if you become profitable with these rules, you have a strategy. So there is a risk in trading. Like anything in life, you have to take a risk. Here is gonna depend on how you manage your risk. So I'm gonna give you an example. There are some people living from professional poker because they know how to play and they also know how to manage their risk. So the best mindset as a trader is not thinking how much I'm gonna win. The best mindset is thinking like how much I am risking in this trade. So you need chips to play, but you can't play if you lose all your chips. So if you want to become a profitable trader, you need to think that it's gonna take at least 1 year. And it's gonna take 1 year if you put the work every day and you test and you learn every day. People think that with 1 month they're gonna learn about everything. Don't try to make money quick, so think about trading like a marathon and not a simple run. Another tip is find your ways of doing trading. There is no one way that fits all. Some people want to hold a trade for a few minutes, others for a few hours, others for a few days, others for a few months, and it's gonna depend in the way that fits you better. For example, for me, I like to do trades for hours because I don't like having a position open one day. when I go to sleep because I will check that position every time, So it's gonna depend on your mindset or your way of thinking. So if you want to be a scalper is a trader that hold a position for minutes or hours. You need to consider the hours you're gonna trade, because you have hours in the day that have more volume or the price moves more, and you want that price to move. So I recommend you when the market opens in New York, in London. Those are the best areas because there is where the institution put the money. So don't be mad if the markets don't do what you want. In the market, it's gonna happen whatever is happening in the market. So humble yourself and adapt to any situation. So if you do this, you're gonna get angry, frustrated, and you're gonna get angry for something that you can't control. So start to detach about these things. So another tip is that I recommend you to do not trade more than 2 stocks, coin, or assets. So every coin, stock, or asset is like a language. If you try to learn 10 languages, it's gonna be very difficult. It's when you master this or you're gonna get better than this, then you could try another one. You can become a profitable trader with one asset. So you need to control greed and FOMO. So when you are in the markets is when your real demons come out. So you will notice how greedy you are, and that's a bad habit. Also, you will get FOMO, that stands for fear of missing out. So for example, the prices start to move very quickly and you have the fear of losing money. So you enter a position. Then when you enter that position, the prices start to bounce. So you need to think there are gonna be infinite opportunities in the market. So you are not losing anything. Actually, you are gaining auto control. So in the markets, it's better to play the long game, And also it will change your mindset. So being a trader is gonna show you how is your mind. And you will notice that you need to change many things. Like having discipline, know how to control yourself, be organized. So that was the video. I hope you like it. There are more tips, but if you like this video and you want more tips, please put a like, also subscribe, leave a comment if you have any question, I will respond. And thank you for watching the video. See you and good luck.